Hi, this is Greg Overhage. In this video we're going to discuss what is a wraparound mortgage and when would you use one. A wrap is a very creative alternative to leasing. The seller or investor wraps a new mortgage around the original mortgage. To make this a little clearer, let's start with an example. We have a property with a value of $250,000 and the mortgage is $210,000 with an existing interest rate of 4%. The seller sells the house to a new buyer for $260,000 with a down payment of $10,000. This results in a wrap of $250,000 with an interest rate of 6%. The seller keeps the $10,000 down payment, which covers closing costs. The seller collects the payment on the $250,000 at 6% of $1,498 a month, which is used to pay the existing mortgage of $1,002. This results in a positive cash flow of $496 a month, or $5,900 a year. The seller will create a new escrow to cover taxes and insurance. As you see, this has a financial benefit for the seller. The wrap allows the buyer to get into the house for 4% down in this case. This will vary from situation to situation. That's a really great deal for the buyer. The seller would normally structure a wraparound mortgage with a provision that the buyer would refi in 3 to 5 years or sell the home. If the buyer fails to refi, the seller can add provisions for the interest rate to increase or to get the house back. When the home is refinanced, the buyer pays off the original loan and the remaining balance is profit to the seller. In this case, the seller would get $40,000 back when the house is refinanced. This $40,000 is called the backhand profit. Most houses can be sold with a wrap if there is equity in the house. A disadvantage to the seller is that the buyer may stop making payments. In this case, the seller can take the property back, make any repairs, and resell the property. Overhage Investments and our team have extensive experience with wraps. This is one of the many strategies we use to solve your real estate challenges. We are real estate investors here to help you reach your goal. Our goal is to fix your problem and let you move on with your life and sell your house fast.